Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the microphone. Charge it, set it to pairing mode, and confirm the LED or voice prompt. This tells you it's discoverable. On your Android, open Settings and tap Bluetooth, then turn Bluetooth on. Make sure you're near the phone. Once your mic appears in the list, tap its name to pair. Accept any pairing codes or permission dialogues. This initial connection is crucial because it establishes the audio path the phone will use for apps and calls. Once paired, you must tell apps to use the Bluetooth mic. Open the app you'll use, like Recorder, Zoom, or a streaming app, and go to its audio or input settings. Select the paired Bluetooth device as the input source. Some apps default to the phone mic, so make sure the phone mic is switched off or set to external input. After selecting it, perform a quick test recording or listen to the input level meter to confirm signal strength, and tweak mic distance or app gain if levels are low. To finish, secure a stable recording environment. Lock screen orientation and enable Do Not Disturb so calls or notifications don't disrupt audio. Once done, confirm the mic remains selected in app and perform a final test. If audio fails, if it cuts out or won't connect, repair the mic, restart your phone, or toggle Bluetooth off and on. These steps reset the connection. Also check app permissions for microphone and background activity, and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.